So when it comes to chicken thighs, there's all kinds of different ways you can cook these. If you want to grill them, you can smoke them, you can braise them in some white wine or some chicken stock, or however you like to do them. You can fry them. But the way I'm going to cook these today is basically I'm going to take these and put them in a pan skin side down, cook them really low and slow, actually like medium heat, maybe a little bit less. The fat's going to render out, it's going to be really good and flavorful. And I'm going to put some poultry herbs I got right here, so it's basically just rosemary, thyme, and sage. And so when the fat renders off, I'm going to throw those herbs in the pan and kind of baste it the same way you would do with like a, a thick steak. And I'm going to crush some garlic and throw it in there. Obviously you could do this, seared, pan seared, and throw it in the oven and cook it like that, or throw it on a smoker like I was saying. But the whole point of doing this is to render off that fat and get that good flavor and baste it. So your number one option for a pan to use is going to be cast iron. So this is what I'm going to use right here, cast iron. Second best option would be stainless steel. So if you have one of these, use that. And then as a last resort, I guess go with non-stick if you have to, but I'm gonna go with the cast iron like I was saying. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna trim up these chickens right here. I'm just gonna cut off any loose skin and season it up just with salt and pepper. I'm keeping it really simple. These aren't necessary, but doing something like this and this way, I would definitely recommend using the herbs. So here we go, guys, check it out. So I'm just gonna go through and just cut off any loose ends. Like, see this thin skin right here? Just take that off. Clean it up how you want. Alright, so look, this is all you're going to have to do. Literally turn the stove on. Keep this at medium heat, actually about 40%. Try not to get it too hot. Putting just a tiny bit of olive oil in there. You don't have to worry about any smoke points or anything like that because this is never going to get that hot. So you're not even going to have to heat the pan up or nothing like that. I'm going to set these skin side down. And these are literally gonna sit here for like 20-25 minutes. All you're looking for is the skin to get nice and crisp and brown. And you're gonna let that fat render off. It's gonna be really good. And then you're only gonna flip these one time. So really low maintenance, really easy to do. The main thing you're gonna have to worry about is just keep your eye on this so it doesn't get too hot and you don't burn anything up. So that's pretty much it. Alright, so this is after like 10 minutes of cooking. Starting to get a little bit of brown. I want it really dark and crispy. So probably another 10 minutes. It'll be ready to flip. I'm trying to keep the heat at like 40% on the stove. 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna lightly smash so they don't burn up. Alright, so here's the thing. I'm going to continue cooking these for probably like 15 more minutes until they're like 175 internal. And if you like them 160, 165, go ahead and do that. But I just like to cook the dark meat a little longer, so it's up to you. So there you go, guys. It is a little greasy, but you know, that's just how it is. Man, ton of flavor in it. Tastes super good. You guys should try this out. I'm gonna put any product links down below if you guys wanna check that out. Also, the idea I got to do this was from a book I checked out. I don't even know the name of it, I forgot, but I have it on my iPad, so I'm gonna put the link for that down below if you wanna check that out also. Yeah, it took like 35 minutes to do. Really low and slow on the skin side, then I flipped it over, basted it with all that chicken fat, added a ton of flavor to it. You can taste the rosemary, sage, and thyme. If you wanted, some lemon would be good on this, but I don't have any lemon, so, but you know, you can make it how you want. Woo! But that's it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Happy holidays. See ya.